All right, we are at 1013 and 1017 Washington Avenue in Lorain, Ohio. A side-by-side duplex. I'll give you a view of the surrounding area. It's a beautiful sunny day in Lorain, Ohio. We're going to start off our tour going to the occupied unit, which is going to be the left side, and then the right side will be the vacant unit. All right, going into the occupied unit, enter into a living space here. And a dining area here. You see vinyl flooring, and on over towards the kitchen. The door on the right is going to lead to the back door, or rather the back porch. Go upstairs. Take a left to get to our first bedroom. No closet in here, so technically an office space. The bathroom just next to it. Go on down the hall towards the primary suite. It's going to be the largest of the bedrooms. The closet right here. Take a left down here. Let's see another bedroom. The small closet. And then further to the left here, takes us up to the third floor. It's also being used as a living space right now. This door on the left here actually leads to the other side of the duplex's attic. A fairly large space up here. And we'll go on down to the basement. It's going to be carpeted throughout the second floor, apart from the bathroom, which has the vinyl flooring. Peek down here to get to the basement. This side has washer, dryer, utility sink, as well as the hot water, the furnace. Both gas meters are going to be in the other unit. We have an electric box for this unit. And then a bit of extra storage space down here. Right, we're going to be going on to the right side. It's going to be the unoccupied unit. They've done some recent upgrades. You can see the vinyl flooring throughout. Nice and clean interior. Similar layout to the other side again. A lot more vinyl flooring in here. A nicely updated kitchen. With white cabinets, a nice backsplash. Takes us out to the backyard if we go out this door. Again, little porch area back here. Let's start down in the basement on this side. We're gonna have both gas meters on this side. Water meter over there. And a sump pump here. Small utility sink. And space for a washer dryer with the hookups here. Our hot water tank, as well as our furnace. Head on upstairs. Back to our dining area, living area. Go up here. Again, vinyl flooring here, different from the other unit where it was mostly carpeted. Start off taking a left here into one of the bedrooms. Good size space. Small closet. We go over here towards the larger bedroom. Overlooks the front of the house, or the front yard rather. And again, small closet here. Down this hall again. Go to the final bedroom. They added a closet here. And a view out to the backyard here. Got the tiled bathroom. Take us up to the attic here. Oh, my mistake. I forgot that this is not only a closet space, but also leads us up to the attic. Not much to see up here. Just storage space, really. Right, that was the inside. Onto the backyard here. You see the house is vinyl siding and vinyl windows throughout. Can do a small fenced-in backyard. The shed down the way. A little bit of yard here. And a deck attached to the rear of the property. And that is everything I've got for you.